Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to link Cash App card to your Samsung wallet. So if you have latest version of your Samsung wallet and when you go to the menu, you will see payment card option in the menu. So when you click this, you can start entering your Cash App card details, but finally when you enter the details, you will see that your card won't be added to your Samsung wallet, guys, because this is impossible at the moment. I don't know what will be in the future, but at the moment Samsung Wallet seems to restrict cards from financial services. They don't recognize traditional banks, and unfortunately Cash App falls into this category, and the Cash App card is not eligible to directly add it to Samsung Wallet. But I have got a little solution for you guys. You can do the simple thing. You can go to your PayPal account, you can link your Cash App card to PayPal, and after you will link your Cash card to PayPal, then you can connect your PayPal to Samsung Wallet and use PayPal as a payment option within Samsung Wallet. So that's all I wanted to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.